If your furniture lacks a care tag or clean code, start by treating the fabric as delicate and proceed carefully. Begin by searching the furniture manufacturer's name online for cleaning instructions or contacting the retailer for guidance, because brands often publish care details that are not attached to older pieces. If no information is available, test cleaning products on a hidden area such as the underside of a cushion or inside a seam. Use a small amount of diluted mild detergent or a fabric cleaner and blot rather than rub. Wait at least 24 hours after each test to check for discoloration, dye transfer, or fabric shrinkage, and document what you used and the outcome so you do not repeat a damaging method. For water-safe fabrics, use a straight stroke with a soft cloth and cool water, blotting excess moisture and allowing the piece to air dry completely. Avoid heat, which can set stains or cause shrinkage. For delicate or unknown fibers, consider dry cleaning solvent applied sparingly with a white cotton cloth, again testing first, because some natural fibers will react to solvents. If the upholstery has structured cushions or piping, remove loose covers where possible and clean inner components separately to prevent distortion during drying. 3 common mistakes are using bleach or undiluted cleaners that strip dye and weaken fibers, forcing excess moisture that leads to mold or padding collapse, and skipping a hidden spot test, which results in irreversible damage. If someone uses bleach or strong alkaline cleaners, stop and rinse thoroughly with cool water. Then consult a professional for color restoration or reupholstery options. When excess moisture has been applied, increase air circulation, place absorbent towels against wet areas, and use fans to dry slowly while removing cushions to dry interiors if possible. If a hidden spot test was skipped and damage occurs, try color-safe restoration techniques such as fabric dye pens on a tiny area first, or contact a textile conservator for the best chance of repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by making listings visible to people actively planning projects. We host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences so our members can make better cleaning and repair choices.